Hey guys, we're back. We got a really nice unit here. This is a cab high Leer 100R. Fits the '07 to '13 Chevy GMC truck with a 6.5 foot bed. '07 to '13 GMC with a 6.5 foot bed. GMC top will also work on the Chevy. It's just not going to be an exact fit on the back corners by the door. So basically right back in here the GMC is wider than a Chevrolet, so it'll hang over just a little bit further on a Chevy than it will on a GMC. It's made to fit, but like I said, Chevy's got a narrower rail back here on the back, so it'll work on the Chevy and the GMC. You just need to know that that's going to be a situation. This one's really nice. Got nothing wrong with it. Just has a couple minor chips that I've found on it so far. Top is really nice. Top edge is good. Not seeing anything wrong with this one much at all. Front edge looks really good here. There's a small scratch right through there. Bottom edge on this is really good shape. We took this one right off the customer's truck, so didn't get a lot of damage on the bottom edge, is what you see a lot of times with people who take them off themselves and then lay them in their driveway and get them all chipped up. The side has a half side slider on it, sliding window on the side. The front is a picture window. Small little chip on the front corner right there. Really nothing to talk about there at all. Top edge, front edge looks really good. Not seeing any damage there at all. Down through here looks good. A couple small little chips right there that, same thing, don't really mean anything. You're not going to see those anyway. This edge looks good all the way down through here. A couple small chips, but like I said, this is all behind the cab, so pretty much moot. This side, top edge looks really good. Not seeing a lot of damage on this at all. Sorry, I'm filling into the sun here. All the way down through here, this looks really nice. Back edge looks really good. Bottom edge on this one looks really good. It's got one small spot at the other end, but nice clean edge here all the way down. Right there, you can kind of see a small chip where somebody has touched it up. Right there, it's been touched up, but really from a distance you can't even see it. There's one small chip right there. There it is, right there, and then right down there. It's really actually can't even see it. Half side sliders on this side as well. There you go. Half side sliders on this side. Does have the double T-handle locking rear door. Inside is bare fiberglass. Does have a couple small holes in the screens right there. On this side, another one right. It's really hard to see here, but I'll try to focus in on it. It's really not right there. You can kind of see it. 3 little small holes right there. Sliding window on the side, picture window in the front. This side, it's got a couple of small holes there, right there. I don't know, I can't even see it, but it's really small, and that's it actually. There are 2 little small holes side by side. There we go, a little bit better Really nothing there at all to speak of. Serial number. There it is. Cab high unit. It's the 07 to 13 GMC truck, full-size truck with a 6.5 foot bed, with the regular cab and the extended cab. It will also work on the crew cab. It's just not going to have the correct cab angle right there on the front. Cab angle will be a little bit different on the crew cab versus the extended cab and regular cab. But specifically, this was made for the GMC bed with the regular cab and the extended cab. Like I said, it will work on the Chevy and it will work on the crew. It's just not going to be a perfect fit. It's Victory Red. Below is a link to this unit on our website if you'd like to purchase it online or get more information on it, or just find out which location it's at and how much it is. You can do that all there. Also, there's a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, ladder racks, bed storage solutions, locks, T-handles, seals, things like that, that's all available online for purchase. Also, as with all our units, we do not ship these. These are local pickup only. So you need to be aware of that when you purchase it, that you'll want to be able to locate it, pick it up at one of our 2 locations. Whichever location that is, you want to be able to pick it up there or make arrangements to have it picked up. Thanks for watching.